Hi everyone. I am so excited that my paper pumpkin just arrived and I wanted to share it with you. I've already kind of got an idea of what it looks like because they showed us one card in the promotional flyer, and it looks like window, like a trifold window type card is going to happen, and so I am excited to see it. Alright, first up is the ink spot. This time it is garden green, and I don't know that I have a garden green, so that's nice. And then the use stamp set, always one of my favorite things. Dream big, aim high. Nice. The world awaits you. Let the adventure begin. Explore. Congrats. Let your light shine. And oh, look, cute little, they could be butterflies and a tree. So I've got, looks like layering with the tree. You can do it solid image, or you can add some layers on top. So this looks like a really fun little set here, and I like that it looks like it could be good for someone who's retiring or someone just starting out in a new job. So it's a nice congrats and graduation, or just someone beginning something new job, and also someone who's retiring. Looks like it also might be fun for scrapbooking. Let the event, a little exploring and stuff like that, and I like to scrapbook. So this is a cute set, and let's get into the kit. Right off the bat, the envelopes are so fun. So here we go. There's the picture, but I want to open it and see it all first. Okay, so as I thought, this was shown, kind of a little hint of this one was shown on the promotional flyer. And so I kind of saw this one already, but here are the other two. Look at that cute little camper and a little lantern, night light kind of looking lantern. So these can be lightning bugs. All right, let's see. Here are the envelopes. They're all printed, all the same. Really cute envelopes. Adorable. Here's that lantern. Okay, yep, I thought trifold card. So what I mean by trifold is that instead of just being 2 layers, open and close, there's a 3rd layer. And I'm just going to punch this out because it's just calling to be punched out, isn't it? And a nice little lantern there. I'm working the kit as I'm going here. That's cute. Okay. So you've got this really cute lantern. I like that on the sample they put let your light shine, because I hadn't thought of that. I was thinking adventure and camping and retirement, but also this would be nice for a teacher or someone who did something nice for you, letting their light shine. I can see myself giving this to someone who maybe one of the Sunday school workers at church or something. And these little areas of white, how fun. That's where they put the fireflies, so they look like they're glowing. How cute is that? Okay, so there's your trifold with the lantern, and then they have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 of that one. So you get 4 of that, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of the trees, and this is kind of the same idea. It's a trifold with a window. So on this one, you're going to have this mountainy background. How pretty is that? Now this is that kind of what you would do with the stamp, because see how they've got a solid image behind it and they added the detail to the tree. So they've done it for you, but you have a stamp so you can create more things in that same feel. And there's the inside, and then the trifold. You can even stamp with your stamp some more trees on the inside of your card, which would be fun. Okay, and then what's the 3rd one? Look, oh, that camper. Let's see. Those are the trees, and here's the camper. And you get 4 of the camper as well. So it makes 12 cards. This one's got a cute little forest behind it. And throw that camper in the forest. So cute. I know a couple people who are doing some camping right now. So these are really cute. Now let's see what else we've got in here. So we've got our labels probably for our sentiments, and you've got some circles and some straight ones here. Here's some more. Oh, here we got little trees. Oh, that pokes out. So you're going to add this little tree on there for even more dimension. And here's another tree, and that looks like it's going to go behind your camper. How cute. And it looks like you're going to add that detail of the little pine needles and stuff on top. That's some of the stamping you're going to do. So that is the Adventure Begins. Now, I did notice someone else pointed this out online. It says June on here. This is the July Paper Pumpkin Kit. The July Let the Adventure Begin. And it is correct on the box. But for some reason on the instructions, I bet this is kind of like a pre-done banner and all they do is type out the new title and someone forgot to retype the month. So that's that. That's what's going on there. Oh, we also have, oh, these are cute, adhesive backed sequins. Always nice that they have adhesive already on them. Stick them down, you're good to go. And then of course you've got glue dots and dimensionals. So you have everything you need in this kit. And your spot, and where is my stamp set? Really cute. I know that you're going to enjoy this stamp set. All right, so this is the Adventure Begins Stamp Paper Pumpkin Kit for July 2021. As always, I buy extras, so I get one for myself and I grab a few extras because someone always calls me and says, oh, I missed out on this month's kit. I thought I wouldn't want it and now I really want it. So I have some extras, so if you would like this month's kit, let me know. I might still have one for you. And then they always give us a flyer of what's in the next month's box. And the next month's box was created in partnership with Shelly, the Stampin' Up, one of the co-founders of Stampin' Up, Shelly Gardner. And she is likes to do every once in a while a paper pumpkin kit that she gets involved in. And hers are always really pretty and elegant and sweet. And there's a little sample of what her idea for this. It's called a Hope Box, and she wanted the box to be extra pretty with some nice encouraging words on them. And then her idea is that the kit is going to come with some extra embellishments. Usually you have some trees enough to make the kit, but this is supposed to have some little extra things in there, just a few extra embellishments, so you can actually decorate, cover up the Paper Pumpkin logo with some pretty things. And it looks to me to be kind of butterfly florally, and decorate the box. And then it's supposed to be a hope box where you can send something to someone, maybe send them one of the cards, but then also add some things into the box, or make it a box for yourself, something you can go to. Maybe you can throw in some letters that you've gotten from somebody. So she's calling it a hope box, and her intention is that you use the box as well as the contents in the box. And it looks to be kind of butterfly-y, and you can see on here the colors that she's using. So this is going to be the August Paper Pumpkin Kit. So if you want to subscribe to that, you have to subscribe by August 10th is the cutoff date, and then you would get the Hope Box. And I will show you that one just like I do every month, show you the Paper Pumpkin kits. So here is the July box. I hope you find it as adorable as I do. I really think this is a pretty box. I love the Firefly one the best. That one, the lantern, for some reason I really like that one the best, and they've spaced it so that the lantern's coming off of the branch here. Super cute. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!